All right, I need to drill a hole in this here water tank somewhere. I'm thinking it can go right over here, and a pipe can come out, go down into the ground. So out, down, over, back up, into the building, this section here, then split and have one like hosed thing, and then another line that goes up, and then over, and another spout here for the sink. And I'm just gonna have to blast through these tiles somewhere. I've checked my supplies, and I can do it with this pipe. I don't have enough pipe yet. Let's just see. All right. I have a piece of pipe I can put into the tank right now, so that'll come out, and then curve down, then go over, and then let me think. I think I'm gonna have to go up with one of these ones, and then into the building, and then one of these, and have a hose spigot here, and then a line going up here to go to the sink, and then it has to go 90 degrees over to get into the sink. Okay. Yeah, this is the stuff I need. And I need more pipe, and I need 2 spigots. Spigots, I tell ya! I do have one other size of pipe very close to this that I might have all the connectors for. And I know I have enough pipe. Let me check that. So this stuff, which is CPVC, I might have enough things. Alright, I have more parts of this other pipe, so that's what I'll use. I still need the spigots! Oh, I wonder if the sun's coming out today. Well, I think I can run out there and drill a hole in the side and I'll just block the rain with my body while I'm doing it. Ay, caramba! That was not an easy hole to make. I guess my concrete's strong. Up a little bit from the bottom so it won't pick up any dirt from the bottom. I just need to mortar it in nice and tight so it won't leak. Can I get it to not leak just with mortar? I guess I'll find out. That looks pretty good. I think I may not be done with you yet. Alright, a bit of modification, tiny extension, rounded edges, and now it goes flat, curve, flat. I think it'll fit in there. Alright, the real test here is, can I get the form out from the first piece? I had a little bit left over at the end, so I gave it a mohawk. Should actually give it some extra strength. Ooh, this is one of those things that looks like it should totally fall when I take out that form. It is not that thick, and it's all concrete. But I'm betting it's gonna stay. Wait, where is it?
It's in Fartsadoodle Bay.
Fartsadoodle Bay?
Yep, I think Julie estimated that.
Alright, well maybe after I'm done building the solar panel mounts I can come...
We're staying for 3 days.
Oh, okay, I should be there tomorrow then. Okay, bye. Alright, do I dare do it? It's only been a day. I did put a lot of cement in this. It's pretty hard. Very careful. Man, that came right out. Nice. Don't touch it. Alright, don't touch it. Ooh yeah. Oh, this is a piece of cake. I should probably cut a piece of something to stuff under here because, you know, this, sorry, under here, this wood form isn't curved to the, you know, the curvature of the spherical part. So there always ends up being a space there when I move it. And I don't want it to keep getting lower and lower as I go around. So if I do one of these a day, it should be done within a week. I just have to make sure I remember to leave a hole at the end.